Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can find out who viewed your Snapchat history. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. To do this, we go into the Snapchat app. Then in the top left corner, we click on our profile picture. We go to our profile. We scroll down a little bit. And we find this section, My History or Public. If we click on that, we can see that I have one published story that was published 3 hours ago. That was to see who's seen your Snapchat story. We just have to click on it and then pull it up. So here we can see all your possible views on your Snapchat story. Who's seen your Snapchat history? Or if you don't want to see in detail who it was, you can just write here in this corner to see the number of your views. That's how easy and simple you can see who has viewed your Snapchat story and how many times. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Write your comments and put your likes. See you soon.